Aloha again, everyone. Mike Drutar, principal broker, NextHome Paradise Realty in Kailua, Kona, Hawaii, bringing you another property tour. We're going to be outside of Kailua Bay Resort. This is in the heart of Kona Town. A short 5-minute walk right to the pier on Ali'i Drive. This is a really popular complex because it allows short-term vacation rentals and is super close to town. I'm going to take a look inside and I'm going to tell you my 3 favorite things about this property, and if I can find something, I'm going to tell you the one thing I would change on this beautifully remodeled condo. Okay guys, so I'm right inside the front door of this unit. There's a few things about this unit that are gonna really stand out. Number one, it's a really good remodel. We don't see a lot of these units being updated to the recent style. This one is, and so you're gonna like a lot of things about it. First, the thing that I noticed right off the bat is the flooring. Looks outstanding. Really dig it. We got a decent amount of room in here. So on the ground floor and second floor, what you see here is kind of what you get, with the exception of this is pushed out a little bit right here. So this room is a little bit larger than on the first floor and the second floor. This will also have a loft. Now that's all the top floor units. This is an end unit too, so it has this extra area here. So important to know that only a handful of units have this extra space here in Kailua Bay Resort. Plenty of space here, a lot of light. You know, we have the ceiling fan going and we have the light on there, but you don't even really need it with all this light coming in through this massive window. We have our open beam ceilings, another benefit of being on the top floor. I like that. And then coming through, we have a bathroom remodel that's done absolutely outstanding. This is really great. So they have this sort of a, looks like a slide-in unit, which a lot of people are using these days. It could still be custom. I am seeing 2 layers of granite right there. And then on these units, when they built them, there's over here on this back side, there's sort of just a, it's just a void. There's just some lumber and green rock and then tile placed over it, and then a standard old school tub. So it's actually oversized for a shower, but you have to knock that out over there on the left to get full advantage of everything, and they did a good job with that here. And then I love the large format tiles that you have here. Those look to be 1.5 feet by 3 feet, maybe even 4 feet tall. So we don't see a lot of large format tiles out here. I really dig it. So that's pretty rare. I like that they did that right there. And then a large glass piece here so you see right through and keeps this room feeling nice and large. We have a stacked washer and dryer in this spot right over in here, and then our living room, kitchen area. So they did a good job making use of the space that they have here. It's a smaller, but it looks really good, and it's decent sized refrigerator. We have a narrow dishwasher and oven, so it's got everything you need. It's just a little bit smaller. And then on wheels over here, we got this island, so you can move this around how you need it. I like how they have it set up right here. Really nifty that they have this extra piece here, and they've got it bracketed so that you can put the 2 chairs right here and use this as your dining area. For most part, I think this is going to be used for most people as just a couple. You might have a 3rd person in here. So the things that they have here, while they're smaller, I don't think that's a big deal. And then over here, I love the work they did here on the tile with the gray grout. Good job on that. And they brought that all the way down to our countertops, so we don't have an additional granite or quartz piece of countertop along the back for a backsplash. This is the look that people are going for these days. So you kind of just clean up that line there. Let's see. Ah, look at that. Dovetail joints. Soft close drawers. So good work on that. Good time to point out that this does have a short-term vacation rental permit. So we're in an allowed zone. You just have to do the transfer. Plenty of space in here. And again, with this unit, you can see how much larger it is. So with the upstairs units that are not end units, this is your wall all the way down. So you got an additional couple feet going in through here. And then big slider outside, we'll check that out in a moment. Work our way upstairs. And we are on Caravan today, so you'll see a few people. So they count this as the second bedroom up here in the loft. So we're open to the hallway there. And also we have some louvers that you could open the right time of year when it's nice and cool, and a large window there. So you're plenty of space. So you got these really high ceilings in here. Closet to the side, plenty of space for a king size bed. You have a window AC unit right over here. And new shopping center that's behind us where the Safeway is. This building is going to be, I believe, a medical offices building, and then Hualalai Mountain up there behind you. Another closet back here. And then a private bathroom for this room right here. High ceilings again. We got those nice big tiles. And the same setup that we have over here, smaller, same setup that we have downstairs, but just a little bit smaller. And there I am in bright orange today. And then also really important, so you got a big space here and you got a lot of light that comes in. This faces to the south, so you're gonna get sun and heat coming in here. They have the split AC system right there. And I think that's on right now. So I'm gonna run downstairs and pick it up there and show you how quiet those split ACs are. Okay guys, so I'm out here on our lanai. You have plenty of room to set things up. You have your screen over here, very important because again, like I said, we're facing to the south, so you will get sun coming in here. But you see we do have some ocean views out there. A little bit more than a peekaboo view. And that compressor is running right now. It is going, I mean, you're gonna hear it, but it's not crazy loud like one of those big old school compressors, so that's kind of nice. You got a little storage out here in an owner's closet, so they keep that locked with their stuff in there so that when they rent it out, that's there just for them. You got a pool and a hot tub down here. And you are right near the heart of the town. My favorite three things about this property are, number one, it is a really well done remodel. That is the biggest thing. We don't see a lot of that. So if you're looking to do some renting out, it is ready to go. Number two, it has the short-term vacation rental certificate in place. You just have to do the transfer so you can start making money on this right away. And my third favorite thing is that you do have the additional square footage out here because this room is made a little bit larger. And the one thing I would change, let me see if I can think of something. I don't really have anything. I think they did a really good job on this one. I don't think there's anything to really add. I think it's set up and ready to go. It's priced right. I hope you like it too. Click like and subscribe, ring that bell, and you'll get all the videos that I have of home tours as soon as they come out, and I'll see you again real soon.